Hey, it's Brooke with WTI. I love making smoothies, but I hate drinking out of a cup because you get that little smoothie mustache when you're trying to tip it up and it gets all over your face. I found these Walfos Reusable silicone straws, and it has been one of my favorite ways to drink my smoothie. There's the thicker size for smoothies or milkshakes or stuff like that, and then there's a smaller size if you just want to put it in your little drink or something like that. My favorite part is how bendy and durable they are. I'm one of those people that chews on my straws, and they have lasted me so good. I've had these for over 2 years probably, and they are in excellent condition. There is no wear or tear at all on them. They're also heat resistant, so if you want to drink your coffee or hot chocolate or tea or anything like that with them, you don't have to worry about them breaking down. They come with both size cleaning brushes to make sure that you can get everywhere inside that straw clean. I love the awesome colors of these Walfos straws, but also how durable they are. You're gonna love them too, but that's just my point of view.